think using var and const in Go is mostly the same. There is one critical difference. Constants can never change at runtime. In Go, constants are declared using the const keyword. The basic syntax is const, then a name, an equals sign, and a value. For instance, const maxretrieve equals 3 or const pi equals 3.14159. You can also specify the type explicitly. Const maxretrieve int equals 3. Type inference usually makes this optional, so most Go code omits the type unless clarity demands it. Here is the key rule for constants in Go. The value must be determined at compile time, not at runtime. This means you cannot use the result of a function call as a constant value. Time.now, ran.int, and similar runtime expressions are off limits. Only literal values and expressions composed entirely of other constants are allowed. Go also supports grouped constant declarations. Wrapping multiple const lines in parentheses keeps related values organized, common for status codes or settings. Inside a const block, you get access to iota, a special counter that starts at 0 in increments for each line in the group. It is the idiomatic Go way to define enumerations without assigning values manually. In Go, use const to define compile time constants. Group related ones in const blocks and use iota for clean, numbered enumerations. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.